Physiology focus on how human body functions, including factors like fatigue, stress, and endurance, ensuring work environments do not cause excessive strains. Second, psychology examine cognitive process, human behavior, and perceptions, helping to design interfaces, controls, and environments that enhance mental well-being and efficiency. Third, general engineering applies engineering principles to optimize tools, machine, and systems for human use, ensuring safety, efficiency, and usability. Fourth, physics involves principles such as force, motion, and energy to design workplace, tools, and systems that minimize risk and improve productivity. Fifth, biomechanics studies human movements, muscle activity, and physical interactions with tools and environments to reduce injury risk and improve efficiency. 6. Anthropometry focus on human body measurements and promotions, ensuring products, workspace, and tools to fit diverse users comfortably and efficiently. These disciplines collectively helps create ergonomic solutions that enhance comforts, efficiency, and safety in various industries.